It's made headlines around the country. The son of presidential candidate and U.S. Senator Rand Paul charged with DUI after a crash in Lexington.
But since the story aired yesterday, many of you have been asking, why didn't Lexington Police arrest William Paul? So today we went looking for answers. Sam Smith has the latest on the investigation.
A look at the comments below our story on William Paul's DUI charge. It's easy to see that our viewers have questions about what happened Sunday. Why he was cited instead of being arrested was a popular topic among them. This mugshot is from a previous arrest in 2013. Lexington Police say Paul had injuries to his face after his crash and needed to be treated at the hospital, which is why he was only cited and not arrested. Lexington Police would not go on camera to comment, but pointed out this is their standard procedure, and Paul did not receive any preferential treatment.
I'm the first one to be cynical and suspicious that somebody may get special treatment.
Lexington defense attorney RUSS BALDAN has been working DUI cases since 1984. He says the arresting agency would be responsible if the suspect didn't get the help he or she needed.
A police officer is not a doctor. If somebody suffers a head injury, if they hit their head on the windshield such that they need to go to the hospital, and then the police officer takes that person to jail, the jail books them in, they put them in a cell and they die, then there's going to be an outcry. Why did they take them to jail?
State law allows law enforcement agencies discretion on DUI arrest policies. If you ever get stopped for a DUI by state police, it's highly likely you'll go to jail.
The decision whether or not to arrest somebody for driving under the influence would be, it would only be if the jail could not or would not be able to handle that person.
Trooper Paul BLANTON says they have no set policy for when arrests should be made. The decision is left to the arresting officer. Less than 5% of their DUI charges resulted in citations only last year. In Lexington, Sam Smith, the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
We do want to point out Baldani and Kentucky State Police are not involved in this case. We also learned new information about the charges against Paul today. It is an aggravated DUI charge because he refused a breathalyzer test. This means he could lose his driver's license until the case is resolved and could face stiffer penalties if convicted. William Paul is scheduled to be arraigned in Fayette District Court on May 12th.